Welcome to Linux Help. In this today's session, we are going to see how to install Prometheus on Rocky Linux 9.3. Prometheus is a powerful open source monitoring and alerting toolkit designed for reliability and scalability in modern dynamic environments. It excels in gathering metrics from various services and systems, enabling organizations to gain deep insight into performance and health of their applications. It was developed by SoundCloud. Prometheus has gained widespread popularity due to simplicity, flexibility, and robust capabilities. First, I am going to check the OS version by using the following command. Now I am using Rocky Linux 9.3. Next, I am going to create a dedicated user for Prometheus without login access to improve the security. Next, I am going to download the latest stable version of Prometheus from the official website by using the following command. Now I am going to long list the files by using the following command. This is the downloaded Prometheus package. Next, I am going to extract the downloaded archive and move Prometheus binary to /user/local/bin directory. Next, I am going to create the Prometheus data and configuration directories by using the following command. Next, I am going to set the ownership of the Prometheus directory by using the following command. Next, I am going to move the configuration file and set the correct permissions by using the following command. Next, I am going to create a Prometheus service file by using the following command. Press I to insert mode. Here, insert the following configuration. After adding the following configuration, save and exit from the file. Next, reload the systemd daemon by using the following command. Next, enable and start the Prometheus service by using the following command. Now go to the web browser. Now I am going to access Prometheus web interface by entering our server IP address with Prometheus default port number. This is the dashboard of Prometheus monitoring tool. By this way, you can install Prometheus monitoring tool on Rocky Linux 9.3.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.